Alright everyone, thanks for joining in on the 11-12 Limited. The last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets, October 27th at 7:59. Box number 99185044. And the time, Sunday, October 27th at 10:10. And tomorrow, guys, same stuff I know for to be out for Tuesday. (99185044). Sealed box. Okay. Okay. First card for the St. Louis Blues, David Backes. 122, $2.99. Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. 54, $2.99. Roberto Luongo, banner season. Vancouver Canucks. 58, $2.99. Brothers in Arms for the Ottawa Senators, dual jersey, Craig Anderson and Robin Lehner. 68, $1.99. We have a redemption, Fina Silver Spotlight, card number 233. I'll check that in 1 second. Banner season jersey, the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. 71 of 99. Gold Spotlight for the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Ladd. 21 of 25. So that's it for that. Card number 233. Where are we at here? Erica Branson. So it'll be for Florida. It's a silver version. I think that's 49 rather. So anyway, that's it, guys. And all the cards from the last week, they'll all be in the mail tomorrow or Tuesday. So anyway, thanks, guys.